If you're considering church management software, you need to know these 12 things about Logos 2 before making a purchase. Logos 2 is a solid choice, but there are key factors to consider before deciding if it's right for your church. Stay tuned as we dive into the most important details you should know. First thing, Logos 2 is a comprehensive platform, offering everything from membership tracking to financial management. But when compared to competitors like Breeze or Planning Center, you'll notice it's a bit more complex. This complexity can be an advantage if you need robust features, but it might feel overwhelming if you're just looking for something simple. Next thing to consider is their mobile app. It's functional, but compared to competitors, it's not as user-friendly or polished. Churches on the go might find this a little limiting, especially when using apps like ChurchTrack or Fellowship One, which offer smoother, more intuitive mobile experiences. The third thing, pricing. Logos 2 isn't the cheapest option out there, and while it's packed with features, it's important to weigh if those features justify the cost for your church. It's not as affordable as alternatives like Tithe@Lie or Breeze, especially for smaller congregations that don't need all the bells and whistles. The fourth thing is the learning curve. Logos 2 has a lot of tools, which means you'll spend some time getting familiar with the system. For churches that need something quick and easy, options like Planning Center or ChurchTrack might be more appealing. But if you're willing to invest the time into learning, Logos 2 offers powerful customization. The fifth thing is their support. Logos 2 has a decent support system, but it can be harder to access compared to competitors that offer 24/7 customer service like Planning Center or Tithe.li. You might face delays, so be prepared to be patient if you need help. Next thing, integration. Logos 2 integrates well with other tools, but compared to other church management systems, it might not offer the seamless integrations that companies like ChurchSuite or Fellowship One provide. If you rely on many different apps, this might cause friction. The seventh thing is their security. Logos 2 offers strong data protection, but in terms of advanced security features, like multi-factor authentication, it's behind some competitors. If data security is a top priority for you, it's worth checking how Logos 2 stacks up to others like Breeze or Planning Center. The eighth thing is the customization options. Logos 2 gives you a lot of flexibility, particularly in reporting and workflow management. If your church needs a customized experience, you'll appreciate this. However, it's not as out-of-the-box ready as some simpler options like ChurchTrack. The ninth thing, ease of use. Logos 2 isn't the most intuitive platform. Compared to competitors like Breeze or Tithe.li, which offer simpler, cleaner interfaces, Logos 2 could take a little longer to get the hang of. The 10th thing is their financial tracking tools. Logos 2 shines here, offering detailed reports and easy tracking of donations and giving. But if you're looking for something more visually appealing and user-friendly, alternatives like Planning Center might suit you better. The 11th thing to note is community engagement. Logos 2 has features to help engage your congregation, but the tools are less interactive compared to competitors like ChurchSuite, which offers more integrated communication options like email and SMS within their platform. Finally, the 12th thing, updates and future improvements. Logos 2 does update its features, but some users feel that the pace is slower compared to the constant innovation from companies like Breeze or Tithe.li. This could affect your long-term satisfaction with the product as your needs evolve. In conclusion, Logos 2 is a strong option for churches looking for a powerful, customizable platform. But it's not perfect and might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for a better option that's easy to use and more affordable, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.